body, babe. It's a price you gotta pay. It's either with your heart or with your credit card. And I love Cardi.
I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya.
I'm going in with the Color Wow. I'm spritzing it until it's saturated. Go in, make sure I'm gonna rake it through my hair. Don't forget your edges now. I just need that done. The root solid. Alright, now I'm gonna take my hot tool. Now mind you, the Color Wow is also heat protectant. This box only, like this one is to blow out, straight, whatever type hair you got. The gray one is for curly hairs only, just to enhance your curls if you want to wear it out. All right, y'all, it's a little something right there. Now I'm gonna start at the root and work my way down.
Six hours later.
Alright, y'all. So I finished pressing out my hair. And y'all could tell, good thing I'm wearing this white shirt so y'all can see. Now can you see those dead ends? Those gotta go. So I'm gonna show you how I get rid of those ends. My roots completely straight. First do the obvious, the easy, obvious one. Get rid of all of that. Bring it up like so. Trim what I need to trim. So much better. My hand can go through it. No tugs. Y'all trim your hairs. That's the only way your hair is gonna grow longer, honestly. Like, it looks more healthier, especially like when you put it into braids or you put it away. Whew, your hair is gonna grow tremendously. See, look at that. There's like more flowage. I didn't have that much flow, you know, once it was straightened, but like, yeah, it's like looking healthy. It's cleaner. Like, stop playing with the girl. But yeah, my ends were actually like really, really terrible because some people would probably say like, oh, I should probably cut more, but I like it right here. It's good. I literally got all the knots. Like, I literally had mini knots towards the end of my hair. I'm trying to like pick one up, but they're so tiny. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up. Get your trim. Your hair is gonna grow back, okay? As long as you do everything you're supposed to be doing. Alright, y'all. I will do a reverting video. Reverting to my curls video. So stay tuned for that. But tomorrow's New Year's Eve. I might tag y'all along for a little New Year's Eve party. I'm debating on if I should curl my hair. We're gonna see. I feel like I need just a couple more days to get my life in order, but it's gonna get done. It will get done by the grace of God. Hi y'all, so I am back. I literally put wrap on my head just because I trimmed my hair. I repressed it real quick, and yeah, I wanted to come out nice and silky. So I'm gonna take this off, but as y'all saw, I dyed my hair jet black with the Revlon Color Silk. You know, I blew out my hair with the Hot Tooth Professional brush, and then I pressed it with my Baby Bliss Prima 3100. So that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notifications button, hit that bell so it can yell. Okay, I wish you guys a happy new year. There may be a New Year's Eve party I might be going to, so I might tag y'all on for that. But in the meantime, I got a couple of videos posting. You know, if I'm feeling a little razzle-dazzle, so I'm gonna, drop a couple of videos beginning, let's say maybe the first 3 days. Okay, your girl's trying to be consistent here, so I'm trying to keep it along. But drop in the comments of what you want to see with my hair while it's pressed right now. I might do like a bun video of different types of buns. We'll see. Okay, but I'm definitely gonna give y'all some videos. I thank y'all for tuning in again. Happy New Year. Be safe. Peace and blessings.
I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you